Hello students, in this video lecture we will discuss about hybrid topology, which is a combination of different topologies like bus topology, star topology, ring topology, tree topology and mesh topology. So for our experiment, first we have to connect the take different switches. Now 2950. First we create a tree topology. For that we have to first connect the end devices with these switches. Now we can connect the different pieces with the using the automatic choose connection, which automatically connect the switches and the PC with the switch. So actually this is the example of the bus topology. Then we can create star topology. For that, first take the switch, then end devices. Now we can connect 4 devices. Four devices with this switch. Again, connect on a automatically choose connection. This is an example of the star topology. Next, we have to take different switches and pieces for the ring topology. For that, first click on the switch 950. Now we can connect 4 different pieces with these switches. Connect these devices with the automatic choose connection. First connect the switches. After that, we have to connect different pieces with these switches. This is the example of the ring topology. The last one is tree topology. For that, first connect with the network devices. Now then connect the end devices with each switch. Then we can connect with the automatically choose connection. First connect switches. After that, we can connect different pieces with the nearest switch. Now you can see that the first topology is the bus topology. This one. This is an example of the ring topology. This one. Third one, this is star topology. The third one is the ring topology, and fourth one is the tree topology. So if we combine four of these, then we can create a hybrid kind of topology, which is very useful in the computer network. So for that, we have to connect different topology with the wire. So again, automatically choose connection. Then first connect this switch 7 number to 8, then switch 8 to one of the switch of the ring topology. Then connect this switch. You can connect switch with this switch and wait for few seconds so that connection will be okay. It takes a few seconds. Now this is example of the hybrid topology where we combine the different topology in a single one. For our experiment point of view, we have to combine different topology. After that, we have to provide the IP address. So one by one, we can provide the IP address to these PCs. Now, starting with the PC5, this one, click on the IP config, then it automatically assign the subnet mask. So first IP address is the 192.10.1.1. So in this order, we can provide the IP address to all the PCs of the network. Six, seven, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We are adding 15 pieces. So one by one, we have to provide IP address 1 to 15 to all these pieces. So this is our last PC of the network. So you can check that now. Connections are okay. We have combined four different topologies to create a hybrid one. So our experiment. Now you can click on the simulation as well. To check how packet move from one PC to other PC. You can see clearly here we combine the four different topology. So if we want to check the experiment with the packet sending from PC5 to PC 17. Now click on this play button, then you can check with help of simulation from PC 5 to switch 5, then packet move from switch 5 to switch 6, from switch 6 to switch 7, from 7 to switch 8, from 8 to switch 9. So which particular path it take from switch 9 to, yes, switch 11, then switch 11 to switch 13, switch 13 to, then next one is switch 15, switch 15 to switch 17, and finally want to send the information PC5 to PC17. Ultimately, this is the path that a packet choose when we want to send information from PC5 to PC17 using 4 different type of topology. One is the bus one, the second one is the star one, third one is the ring one, and the last topology is the tree one. So using these 4 topology, we combined these topology using the switches and different end devices, and we have created the hybrid topology. So this is the example, practical example of the hybrid topology using the packet tracer, Cisco Packet Tracer. So for detail of our experiment, we can check the simulation, how data move from one PC to another PC, from another PC to the switches, using the switches. So this is the type of protocol, and at device we have to use different type of devices to move information from one end to the other end.